الطاهر لنحتفل اليوم بإقامة المنتدى الأول منتدى الحلال.
The first Mawaqع Halal Forum 2024 was a groundbreaking event that left significant echoes among the global halal industry. The momentous forum welcomed an astonishing presence of 6,000 visitors representing 120 countries. The Mawaqع Halal Forum 2024 surpassed all expectations, becoming an international sensation. 75 official country representatives, 21 national country Chamber of Commerce presidents were among the distinguished guests at the forum. Prominent figureheads from Saudi governmental organizations also joined the notable list of guests.
صناعة الحلال تعتبر من أسرع الصناعات نمواً في العالم.
The industry's growth is underpinned by key factors, like an expanding Muslim consumer base. The halal market is demanded by 1.8 billion people around the world, making 25% of the global population. The growing popularity of halal products and services has also fastened this growth. The worldwide event has become a melting pot of visionary thinkers, industry pioneers, and game changers who have come together to this prestigious event to steer the halal industry towards unmatched heights.
حرصنا على إقامة منتدى متكامل يبني نظرتنا المستقبلية المتكاملة للحلال، وستشهد نسخته القادمة تنوعاً أكثر وتكاملاً أكبر.
The Mawaqع Halal Forum 2025 will be brought in a much larger and diverse scale, converging halal business leaders from across the world under one single roof.
صناعة الحلال على مستوى العالم مقبلة على نقلة غير مسبوقة.
Register now to Mawaqع Halal Forum in January 2025. And don't miss the opportunity to be part of an ever-growing community taking the halal industry forward and forever changing.